are they reaching out direct? Like, how were they finding loads before using the load board? Like, what was the process to find loads?
I think word of mouth.
Just
I think,
word of
yeah,
mouth
yeah,
and
because a lot of these guys,
relationships?
yeah, they're they know a buddy that's running for somebody, or they're a company driver that's hauling for somebody, and they know that there's opportunity to do that. So I think that's how they would find it originally. But I think as the trucking company evolves, and this, I mean, trucking is never consistent. Things change, things drop. You got to have backup plans, and I think that's where they find us then.
Got it. And then when we say bulk loads, you kind of alluded to this earlier, but talk about some of the different commodities that that you guys have on the platform.
Yeah. So when we're talking about bulk, it's going to be all dry and liquid bulk materials, and usually like raw materials. So it's easier to say what type of trailers do we commonly use on our website. So since we're in agriculture, a big one's going to be hopper bottom trailers, and those are the ones. It's got the two hoppers on the bottom. It's a tarp on top. Grain gets dumps in the top and then flows out the bottom. In dump trailers, and again, there can be multiple types of in dump trailers out there, but any in dump trailers that are hauling aggregates, rock, coal, fly ash, even on the recycling side, so they can be hauling scrap metals, any kind of coils, any kind of byproducts of aluminums, alloys, anything of that sort. Walking floors, those are going to be hauling mulch and bulky type materials. Live bottoms, those are going to be hauling, they can be doing any kind of aggregates, wet feed, stuff like that. Pneumatic tankers, those are the ones that are going to be, it's a compressurized tank. Those are going to be hauling really fine powdery stuff. So that's on the dry bulk side. Liquid side, as said, any kind of type of liquid. So for us, it's going to be probably more, we can do fertilizers, gasolines, fuels, some food grade stuff. When you get into more specialized trailers, though, that's where it gets harder and harder to really have a marketplace or load board. Now, again, we'll get pockets where somebody is trying to find a food grade tanker, but typically if someone's going to be running something super specialized, especially like a tanker, liquid tanker, those tankers themselves can be in excess of $200,000. They're going to have set dedicated round trip freight where they're not really out there searching a marketplace.